Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Fluent English Podcast. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. How are you doing today, Alex?
I'm doing great, Emma. Actually, I was just thinking about something funny that happened to me yesterday.
Oh, what happened?
Well, I was at a restaurant and I tried to order Worcestershire sauce, and the waiter just looked at me like I was speaking a different language.
Oh no, did you say it wrong?
I said Worcestershire, and he had no idea what I meant. It was so embarrassing.
Oh, Alex. You know, that reminds me of when I was learning Spanish. I tried to say embarrassed in Spanish, but I accidentally said embarazada, which means pregnant.
Oh no, that's terrible.
I know. So pronunciation is really, really important. And that's exactly what today's episode is about.
That's right. Today, we have something special for you. We're doing the Great English Pronunciation Challenge.
We're going to challenge each other and challenge you, our listeners, to pronounce some of the trickiest words in English.
And don't worry, we'll break down each word slowly. We'll explain why it's difficult, and we'll help you get it right.
Plus, Alex and I are going to keep score. Let's see who can pronounce more words correctly on the first try.
I'm definitely going to win this one, Emma.
We'll see about that. Okay, listeners, here's how this works. We'll say a word, probably incorrectly first, then we'll break it down, and then you pause the podcast and try it yourself. Deal?
All right, let's get started.
Okay, Alex, since you already mentioned it, let's start with your problem word. Can you spell it for our listeners?
Sure. Worcestershire. Worcestershire.
Okay, so how do most people say it wrong?
Well, people try to pronounce every letter. They say Worcestershire or Worcestershire.
Right, but that's not correct. The correct pronunciation is Worcestershire. Say it with me, listeners. Worcestershire.
Worcestershire. It's like the letters C-E-S in the middle just disappear.
Exactly. In English, especially with place names from England, we don't always pronounce every letter. Let me say it slowly. Worcestershire. Worcestershire.
And you can use it in a sentence like, "Can you please pass me the Worcestershire sauce?"
Perfect. Okay, listeners, pause the podcast now and practice saying it 5 times. Worcestershire. We'll wait.
Okay, welcome back. How did you do?
All right, Alex, you get 1 point because you said it correctly just now.
Yes, 1-0. All right, Emma, your turn. Here's a good one. Colonel. That's C-O-L-O-N-E-L.
Oh, this is a tricky one. Okay, let me try colonel.
Burp. Nope, that's wrong.
I know. I was joking. The correct pronunciation is colonel, like K-E-R-N-E-L, but it's spelled C-O-L-O-N-E-L.
This is one of the craziest words in English because the pronunciation and the spelling are completely different.
I know. So why is it like this, Alex?
Well, the word came from French, but the pronunciation came from Italian. So we kept the French spelling, but changed the pronunciation. English is confusing.
Very confusing. So let's practice. The correct way is colonel. Say it slowly with me. Colonel. Colonel.
And remember, a colonel is a military rank. So you might say, "My uncle is a colonel in the army."
Great sentence. Listeners, your turn. Pause and practice. Colonel. Say it 5 times.
And we're back. Did you get it? Emma, you said it correctly, so that's 1 point for you. We're tied, 1-1.
Yay! Okay, next word, choir. That's C-H-O-I-R.
Ooh, let me try. Choir?
No, a lot of people say choir because they see CH and think it should sound like church or chair.
So what's the right way?
The correct pronunciation is choir. It sounds exactly like the word acquire, but without the A at the beginning.
Choir. That's interesting. So the CH makes a K sound.
Yes, and the OIR together make an IR sound. So choir. Let me say it slowly. Choir. Choir.
And a choir is a group of singers, right?
Exactly. For example, I used to sing in a church choir when I was younger.
Nice. Okay. Listeners, pause the podcast and practice. Say choir 5 times. Remember, not choir, but choir.
Welcome back. Alex, did you say it correctly?
I said choir first, so no point for me.
That means I'm winning 2-1.
Not for long. All right, Emma, let's see if you can get this one. Entrepreneur. ENTREPRENEUR.
Oh boy, that's a long one. Okay. Entrepreneur?
Close, but not quite. The correct pronunciation is entrepreneur.
Wait, can you say it again slowly?
Sure. Entrepreneur. The stress is on the last syllable. Entrepreneur.
Ah, so it's French, right?
Exactly. It's a French word, so we try to pronounce it the French way. The beginning is on, like the word on, but with a nasal sound. Entrepreneur.
This is hard, so let's break it down for our listeners. The first part, on, not N, but on.
Then tra, like truck, but without the CK at the end.
Then pra, same sound, just with a P, pra.
And finally, ner, like newer, but just ner with the stress on it.
So altogether, entrepreneur. And an entrepreneur is someone who starts their own business.
Right. For example, my friend is an entrepreneur. She started her own coffee shop.
Perfect. Okay, listeners, this is a tough one. Pause and practice entrepreneur. Say it slowly, then say it 5 times fast.
How did everyone do? That was hard. Emma, you said entrepreneur, so no point for you.
Fair enough. So we're still 2-1. Okay, next one. This one tricks a lot of learners. Recipe. RECIPE.
Oh, let me guess. People say receipt?
Yes, exactly. They put the stress on the second syllable and say receipt.
But that's wrong. The correct way is recipe. The stress is on the first syllable.
That's right. Recipe. Let's practice. Recipe. Recipe.
And remember, the C here sounds like an S. Recipe.
A recipe is instructions for cooking. Like, I found a great recipe for chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake. Okay, listeners, your turn. Pause and practice recipe 5 times.
Great job. Alex, you said it right, so you get a point. Now it's 2-2.
Yes, we're tied. All right, Emma, here's one that even native speakers sometimes struggle with. Comfortable. COMFORTABLE.
Okay, let me try. Comfortable.
That's how a lot of people say it. They pronounce all the syllables. Comfortable.
But that's wrong?
Well, it's not natural. Native speakers usually say comfortable or comfortable. We drop some sounds and make it shorter.
So instead of 4 syllables, comfortable, it's 3 syllables, comfortable.
Exactly. Let me say it slowly. Comfortable.
And the stress is on the first syllable, comfortable.
Right. The table part almost disappears. It becomes just bull at the end.
This is interesting. So in fast, natural English, we often drop sounds to make words easier to say.
Yes. That's why listening to native speakers is so important. You can use it like this. This chair is very comfortable.
Or, I feel comfortable speaking English with you.
Great example. Listeners, pause now and practice comfortable. Try to say it naturally, not pronouncing every letter.
Welcome back. Alex, you got it right, so that's another point for you, 3-2.
I'm winning now.
Not for long. Okay, Alex, let's try this one. Specifically, specifically.
Oh no, that's a long one. Specifically.
Close. Many people struggle with this because it's so long. The correct pronunciation is specifically.
Wait, can you say that again?
Specifically. The stress is on the second syllable, sif.
So let's break it down. The first part is sp, really quick and soft.
Then sif. This is the stressed part, so say it louder and stronger. Sif.
Then ick, like kick, but just ick.
And finally, li, like the name Lee.
So altogether, specifically. And we use it to mean exactly or precisely.
Right. For example, I'm looking specifically for a blue shirt, not a green one.
Or, can you tell me specifically what time the meeting starts?
Good examples. Listeners, pause and practice now. Specifically. Remember, the stress is on sif.
Okay, I said it wrong at first, so no point for me. Still 3-2.
Yay, I still have a chance.
Last word, Emma, and this is a tough one. Hierarchy. Hierarchy.
Oh, wow, that looks complicated. Let me try. Hierarchy.
A lot of people say it like that, but the correct pronunciation is hierarchy.
Hierarchy. So it's 3 syllables, not 4.
Yes, hierarchy. Let's break it down.
The first syllable is hi, like saying hi to someone, and that's where the stress is.
Then very quick and soft, almost like when you're thinking.
Then rar, like a lion's roar, but softer. Rar.
And finally, key, like a key that opens a door.
So hierarchy. And a hierarchy is a system where people or things are ranked one above the other.
Right, like in most companies, there's a clear hierarchy from the CEO down to the employees.
Or in the animal kingdom, there's a hierarchy of predators.
Excellent. Okay, listeners, this is our final word. Pause and practice. Hierarchy. Make sure the stress is on high.
Great job, everyone. Alex, you said it correctly, so you get a point.
Yes, so the final score is 4-2. I win.
You win this time, Alex, but I'll get you next time.
Wow, that was fun. How do you feel, Emma?
My tongue is tired. But seriously, pronunciation practice is so important.
Absolutely. And remember, listeners, it's okay to make mistakes. Emma and I make mistakes all the time.
That's right. When I was learning Spanish, I made mistakes every single day. But that's how you learn.
Exactly. So don't be afraid to practice. Say these words out loud, even if you're alone.
And here's a challenge for you. How many of these 8 words did you get right on the first try? Count your score.
If you got 0 to 2 words right, that's okay. These are really difficult words. Keep practicing.
If you got 3 to 5 words right, great job. You're doing really well.
And if you got 6 to 8 words right, wow, you're amazing. You should be proud of yourself.
And listeners, we want to hear from you. What words do you find difficult to pronounce?
Yes, send us your suggestions. We might do another pronunciation challenge episode with your words.
You can also tell us your score. Did you beat Alex? Did you beat me?
And remember, the best way to improve your pronunciation is to listen to native speakers and practice every day.
Watch English movies, listen to English podcasts like this one, and don't be shy about speaking.
That's right. Well, that's all for today's episode of Fluent English Podcast.
Thank you so much for listening. We hope you had fun with us today.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.